Are you wondering what you need to disclose when selling your home in North Carolina? Let's clear up some of the confusion and ensure your sale goes smoothly. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. So navigating home disclosures can be tricky, but with the right guidance, it can protect you as a seller and ensure your transaction goes smoothly. So today we're going to dive into what you need to know about disclosures when selling your home in Charlotte, North Carolina, or really anywhere in the state. All the disclosures are pretty much the same statewide. Disclosures are a crucial part of the home selling process. They ensure that all parties are informed about the property's condition and can make educated decisions. And in North Carolina, unlike some states where almost everything needs to be disclosed, there are specific rules on what constitutes a necessary disclosure. Some key points in what you need to disclose in North Carolina or what you should disclose. Latent defect. It's vital to disclose any defects you are aware of that could not easily be spotted by a typical inspection. This includes any issues that you've actively tried to conceal. Failure to do so is known as a latent defect and can lead to legal consequences. So the buyer could come back and sue you for it. Repairs and renovations. Whether you've repaired a water heater, replaced a roof, or renovated your kitchen, significant repairs and renovations should be disclosed. This helps the buyer understand the history and condition of the property better. Material facts and seller disclosures in North Carolina. So in North Carolina, while sellers themselves are not required to disclose all details, their agents have a duty to discover and disclose material facts that could affect the property's desirability or value in a buyer's eyes. So this includes issues like leaks or structural problems, which are likely to be uncovered by a property inspection that the buyer's going to have anyway. So my advice always is to sellers, be proactive. If there is an issue, let's address it before hitting the market. Address it or disclose it. This strategy not only ensures transparency, but it also helps avoid delays in the selling process, and it makes negotiations so much easier. Being upfront about the property's condition can help streamline negotiations and foster trust, making it more likely that the sale proceeds smoothly after the buyer's inspections. There is no requirement for things that are non-material facts. Certain information such as presence of a sex offender in the neighborhood or a death in the home does not need to be disclosed in North Carolina, as they are not considered material facts. And by disclosing all the known issues, you're safeguarding yourself against future legal action where a buyer might claim that they were misled about the property's condition. Remember, effective disclosure isn't just about adhering to the legal requirements. It's about transparency and building trust with the buyer, even before you've met them. This can lead to a smoother sale process and helps prevent post-sale disputes. Remember, hiding things during a real estate sale is never a good idea. It's usually always found out anyway. So if you're planning on selling your home in Charlotte and need expert advice on disclosures or other aspects of the sale process, reach out to me at sellyourhomecharlotte.com. With over 200 homes sold and a track record free of lawsuits, we know how to protect your interests. Thanks for watching. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm here to help you navigate every step of your home selling journey confidently. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the Charlotte real estate market, and like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming real estate advice. Stay informed and stay safe when you're selling your home.